Now we're going to toast our breads to put on the top of our onion soup. Set your oven to 375 on broil. Place your breads on a baking sheet like this. And we're going to toast them until they're lightly browned, and then we'll flip them over and toast them again. Okay, when one side is toasted nicely, we'll just take it out, flip it over, and then we'll toast the other side of that bread. Okay, and there's our toasts. You should have enough toasts for every serving that you're going to set up. And I'll put those there for now. We're going to set our crock right here that we're putting our servings. Now, if you have 3 or 4 servings that you want to set up, you'll put them on a tray. It makes it a lot easier to get it in and out of the oven. So I'm just doing one for today. I'll get my soup. Say my pot holders. Okay, and there's our soup chock full of onions. And just scoop hot soup into the crock with a good proportion of onion and broth. And then you'll take a slice of the toast and float that on the top. And then you sprinkle it with your cheese like this. Use as much or as little as you want. And now we'll place this whole thing, the whole tray, into the oven on broil at 375 degrees until our cheese is melted and lightly browned.